Hello, good day to you all. So in this video I'm going to prove derivative of cos x using first principle. So let's have a function. Let's say the function is y is equals to cos x. So we are going to prove this to see how we can be able to get its derivative using first principle. So let's say y plus delta y is equals to cos x plus delta x. So, and if this is the case, we are going to make delta y the subject so that we can have cos x plus delta x minus y. So we have delta y is equals to cos x plus delta x minus cos x, because y is equals to cos x. Since from the beginning y is equals to cos x, so we can be able to just substitute. So if this is the case, then we can expand this. So we have delta y is equals to, when you expand this, you can have cos x cos delta x minus sin x sin delta x minus cos x. So the expansion of this is this, and this is represented by this. So this is representing this, so and the expansion of this is this. So here when you look at it, this is cos x and this is cos x. So this term has cos x and this term has cos x. We can match them together so that we can have delta y is equals to cos x cos delta x minus cos x minus sin x sin delta x. So from here we can be able to factor, because we have delta y is equals to, we can say cos x into cos delta x minus 1 minus sin x sin delta x. This is just, we just copy this, we just factor delta x from this and this so that we can have this. So when you divide through by delta x, we are going to have delta y all over delta x is equals to cos x cos delta x minus 1 all over delta x minus sin x sin delta x all over delta x. So when you take the limit as delta x approaches 0 of delta y over delta x is equals to limit as delta x approaches 0 of cos x into cos delta x minus 1 all over delta x minus sin limit as delta x approaches 0 of sin x sin delta x all over delta x. So then this limit becomes dy dx. Then this is a special limit which is 0, so we have cos x multiplied by this term completely will become 0. This term completely will become 0, so we have 0 here, so minus, then this limit will become sin x, then this limit is 1, so multiply by 1. So then delta dy dx is equals to, this is 0, then this is minus sin x, because sin x multiplied by 1 is just sin x. So this is the proof, and this is very simple and very easy to use to do. And if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.